Minasan, konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Katakana. Katakana is one of the 3 Japanese writing systems. It has 46 main letters, just like Hiragana has 46 letters. We use Katakana for foreign words, country names, food names from other languages, brand names, sound effects in comics. In this video, we will learn the RO of Katakana. A, I, U, E, O. First Katakana, A. A. Example word, ice. Ice means ice cream. Example sentence, ice ga suki desu. Ice ga suki desu, meaning I like ice cream. Ice ga suki desu. Second one, E. E. Example word, igirisu. Igirisu means England. Example sentence, igirisu ni ikitai desu. Igirisu ni ikitai desu, meaning I want to go to England. Igirisu ni ikitai desu. Third one, U. U. Example word, uirusu. Uirusu means virus. Example sentence, computer ni uirusu ga hairimashita. Computer ni uirusu ga hairimashita. The computer got a virus. Next one, A. A. Example word, erebeta. Erebeta means elevator. Example sentence, erebeta ni norimasu. Erebeta ni norimasu. I will take the elevator. Erebeta ni norimasu. Next we have O. O. Example word, orange. Orange means orange. Example sentence, orange wo tabemasu. Orange wo tabemasu. I eat an orange. Orange wo tabemasu. That's all for today's lesson. See you in the next lesson. Matane.